gonna learn blended words and blended sound. Okay?
Yes.
Here you see the letter. What is this? This is C.
C.
And this is L.
L.
Letter name C and L. Okay? And sound K, L. K, L. Together, clo.
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 K, L, 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 clo.
Okay, let's see this picture. What's the picture about? Class. It's a classroom, right? Class. Yes. And now let's see the letters. How many letters are here?
Class.
5 letters.
5 letters.
How many letters are here?
5 letters.
5 letters. This is C, L, A, S, S. Now this letter, with this letter, we are going to make words. Okay?
Yes.
And let's, what's the sounds about?
Clo.
Okay. Clo. And this is a S. Together, it's class. What is this?
Class.
Class. What is this?
Class.
Class. Okay. Now let's practice. Class. Class.
Class.
Look at the picture. What's the picture about? It's
cloud.
A cloud. Okay. How many letters are here?
5 letters.
5 letters. This is C, L, O, U, D. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Let's make word with these letters. Okay. What's the sound? It is clo. Clo. Okay. And now it's ow.
Ow.
D.
D.
Cloud.
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 Okay, let's cloud.
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 Very good. And let's look at the picture. This is a clown. That means joker. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. This letter is C, L, O, W, N. Okay?
Yes.
Let's make the word with these letters. Okay. This is clo. Ow.
Ow.
Clown.
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 Very good. Look at the picture.
Clip.
Clip. Here you see some letters. What is this? C. What is this?
C.
What is this?
What
is this?
E.
I. P.
E.
Okay, let's make the word with these letters. Clip.
Clip. 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 Clip.
Very good. And now look at the picture. What is this?
Clock.
Clock. This letter is C, L, O, C, K. Okay?
Yes.
Let's make this word with these letters. And this is clock. O, K.
Clock.
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 Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock. Clock.
Clock.
Very good. Now look at the picture. It's a animal claw. That means thaba. Okay. The letter is here. C-L-A-W. Okay?
Yes.
And now let's make word. This is claw. This is claw and this is O. Claw.
Claw.
Claw. Oh, claw.
Claw. Claw.
Claw. Oh, claw.
Claw. Claw.
Claw. Oh, claw.
Claw. Claw.
Okay, let's revise again these words. Okay, class.
Class.
Cloud.
Cloud.
Clown.
Cloud.
Clip.
Clip.
Clock.
Cloak.
Claw.
Claw.
Well done. Thank you so much.